Hey guys, it's your girl Jay, and I'm back with another video. And in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to hitch and unhitch your trailer to your truck. Now, here is my food truck. And when I first started with this truck, I struggled real bad. I struggled so bad hitching and unhitching this trailer to my truck. I mean, I had all types of problems, so I just want to show you guys this video so you don't have to go through what I went through, okay? So let's get into it. So here I am, the trailer is hitched to the truck. So first I'm going to show you how to unhitch it, okay? Now I do have I don't have a manual jack. I do have an automatic jack. I have a 7-way connector. I got this from Amazon. If you just go to Amazon and type in 7-way connector automatic jack for the trailer, and then it should pop up. So first thing you're gonna do is take the hookup piece, this piece right here. You're gonna hook it up to your truck, and you're gonna undo the lock, and you're gonna press the button, and then your trailer should start going down. This prevents you from having to use the manual part. They do give you a stick to where you can, if this goes out, like the electricity goes out, you can do it manually. Okay, so that happened to me where I had to do it manually one time, and then I just ended up replacing my whole jack because the electrical wiring in my truck went out. The fuse blowed, and then my jack stopped breaking. So that is a warning that it may stop working after a year or two. Some people say 5 years. So I guess it just depends on how much you use your trailer. Okay. And so, and this also prevents back problems. Okay. I had a lot of back problems using that manual jack. It was bad. I had to end up getting muscle relaxers and everything. It's just, I was like, I need to order me another automatic jack. So here, you'll see that it'll come off easily. You got to just make sure that lock is pulled back so it can pop off. Okay. And so what you're going to do too, you'll pull the truck up just a little bit, and then you'll start to lower it down. Okay. It's that simple. It's that easy. Easy. No hassle. All you got to do is to lift it up. Make sure that lock is pulled up, and it should come off the ball, and then you just lower it down. But when you lower it down, you want to make sure that you pull your actual pickup truck, pull it up a little bit, and you can still have that cord connected, or you can disconnect it. Just make sure you're not put up too far to where you can't connect the truck up again for you to lower it down, because you're gonna have to have that connected to lower it down again. Okay. And then those boards down there, I have 2 boards on there. You probably can't see 2, but it is 2 boards down there. Because this ground where I was, it was just so low. It was real low. But, and then when you're done, you're just gonna pop it back in that little place there that I have it for you. And then that's it. That's how I unhitch my trailer from my pickup truck. It's real easy, real simple. I'm saying, ladies, you can do it. Okay, don't think that you need a man there to do it. You can do it. It just takes a little time, takes a little practice. Okay, like I said, when I first started, I struggled real bad. It to a point where it was just embarrassing. Okay, but I had to learn. I had to learn. Okay, so to hook it back up, to hitch it back to your truck, you're gonna put in that cord again, and then you're gonna make sure that the truck is lined up with the what is this thing called, the tongue. Okay, now for me personally, I like to make sure that make sure that the ball is not all the way in the tongue, because you want to make it like snap a little bit. I don't know if that makes sense, but you want to make sure that it snaps on, and you want to make sure that lock is pulled up when you're trying to hitch the ball to the tongue, because if not, it's not going to snap in. So you always want to make sure that lock right here that I have, want to make sure that it's up. Okay, and I always make sure that my ball is a little off from the thing, because when I lower it down, it snaps onto it and I'm good to go. Like I said, it's going to take some practice. Sometimes it's going to take somebody being there with you who know what they're doing too. Sometimes it may take that. Sometimes people just get it on their own. Like I said, it just take practice and knowing how your trailer works, how your jack works, and just practicing on how to like hook it up yourself. Because sometimes you a one-man show and you work that trailer yourself. You show up to events and you're going to have to do it yourself. Okay. So how I do my chains, I crisscross my chains. Now, I did learn this from the people who built my trailer. They told me to make sure you crisscross them. So that, say for instance, you get into an accident or something and then the trailer comes off of the truck, it unhitches itself. At least when it's crisscrossed, it's gonna like, they said that it'll like, instead of like the front of the trailer being down, it's gonna come up. I don't know how to explain it, but they said make sure you crisscross it, okay? And so you want to make sure those boards are in, you know, make sure you don't leave them, okay? Make sure they're in your back of your truck. And then I'm going to put my pin in, just to make sure that everything is secure and locked. And I got that lock from Walmart. Very inexpensive. You'll find it back where the tire shop is, like close to that area. But you want to tug on that lock right there to make sure it's really tight and secure. That's how you know that everything is in there where it's supposed to be. All right. So that is it. That's how you hitch and unhitch your truck. If you want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what y'all want to see next about this food trailer. And I'll see y'all in the next video.